Do you feel like your hearing is slipping away? Missing out on conversations or struggling with ringing in your ears? Sonovive is helping thousands turn the fear of hearing loss into the reality of clearer, sharper hearing, naturally and safely. Hearing loss affects millions, and it's more than just an inconvenience, it impacts your relationships, confidence, and quality of life. Many ignore the early signs like muffled sounds or tinnitus, but those warning signs grow louder over time. You deserve to hear the world fully again. Sonovive is a natural dietary supplement designed to support ear health, improve hearing clarity, and reduce the frustrating ringing caused by tinnitus. Its blend of powerful ingredients supports blood flow to the ear, nerve function, and reduces inflammation. Sonovive's formula includes ginkgo biloba, boosts circulation to auditory nerves, magnesium, supports nerve health and reduces ringing, vitamin B12, essential for nerve repair and function, zinc and vitamin C, antioxidants that protect ear cells together. These ingredients promote clearer hearing and healthier ears naturally. Imagine waking up to sharper hearing and less buzzing in your ears. Sonovive users report, white heavy checkmark, improved hearing clarity, white heavy checkmark, reduced tinnitus symptoms, white heavy checkmark, better focus in noisy environments, white heavy checkmark, enhanced quality of life and confidence. It's safe, natural, and easy to add to your daily routine. Don't wait until hearing loss controls your life. Take the first step towards clearer hearing with Sonovive today. Click the link below to learn more and join thousands who have rediscovered the joy of sound.